Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain what a syntax is. What is a syntax? In programming language, a syntax basically refers to the vocabulary and grammar that is used to construct a program. Just like with the English language, you'll have to create valid sentences using words and punctuations. In programming, the syntax is a set of rules that guides you in doing that. So these set of rules will guide you as to how you construct your computer programs. Now, every programming language has its own syntax. Just like American English is different in some aspects to British English. So the syntax is basically a bunch of rules that enables you to construct a valid format. And this also includes a combination of instructions that you use in putting a program together. So let me show you a basic example of a JavaScript syntax. So this is a JavaScript syntax. It's just a basic one. And in this example here, we've got some key words here. This word var is basically known as a variable. It is used as a storage container. So in this example here, I've got a variable called first number, and I'm using the equals to assign it the value of 7. So what that means is that this value 7 is going to be stored in this container called first number. And here I've got a value 8, which is going to be stored in this container called second number. So this number, first number, second number, are names that I've given to this keyword variable. var is a keyword and part of the JavaScript programming language. So it's a syntax component of the JavaScript programming language. The equals to here is known as an assignment operator. It's also part of the syntax. It is used to assign a value. So wherever you see this equals to sign in a syntax, in a programming syntax, is basically referring to is using that to assign a value. It's an instruction to assign. So what this is basically saying is that put this value 7 inside this box called first number, put this value 8 inside this box called second number. So this equals to is an assignment operator. It's known as an assignment operator. In some programming language, you don't necessarily have to put a semicolon after you've declared something. In JavaScript, you do. Once you declare a variable in JavaScript, you need to put a semicolon. That is part of the JavaScript syntax. So every programming language has its own way of doing things, which is referred to as a syntax. So the key thing to take away when you see the word syntax is referring to a programming language's vocabulary and grammar. Basically what this means is basically a set of rules of how your programs are constructed. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.